Hi, Lexi. Hope you're doing well. Hope Eleanor is doing well. Okay, so let's talk about Weebly. I've only ever made one Weebly site. I never published it, and it's not my strong suit. So there's my little, forgive me if I'm wrong. So here I am under Weebly, my sites. I just logged in. I'm going to click Edit. And it's going to bring me to the editor. You want to make sure that you pick the page that you want to be on. So if it's your home page, you should already be on your home page here. If it's a different page, just go to your page. Make sure you've got that. Okay. Then what you're going to do is click Build. Okay. And you can do this a couple different ways. You can use an embed code from YouTube, or right here, there's this little YouTube media that you can use. So if you click on this, you just click and drag it to wherever you want it. You can see I've got two little ones up there. So I'll just put it in. And then this way is pretty easy. You click up here, and all you have to do is you have to have your video URL. And the URL is just the code that's up here. So I'm going to go over to YouTube. And we've got my favorite elementary teacher, Principal Gary Brooks, and this is the URL. So I just copy that, and then go back to your Weebly, and paste, and enter, or click off of it, click off, and there's my video, okay? The other way you can do this, if you need to do this differently, is you can do the same sort of thing where you grab the embed code, drag it over, and you click to set custom HTML, edit custom HTML, and here on your YouTube video you click share, and there's an option. This is the link, or you can grab the embed code, and I can just select all of this, control copy, bring that back, edit, do this again, and paste, and click off, and there's my video. It's little, and then I think you can drag these and make them bigger, smaller, whatever. So I hope that answers your question. If not, email me. You can always text me through Google Hangouts too. And yeah, I hope everything's going well, and just keep on keeping on, and tell everybody that I said hi and I miss you all so much. So let me know if you have any other questions. Seriously, I love to help. It makes me feel important. All right, bye.